Hi guys, it's Hector at Cozy Corner Plants, and today I'm going to share with you how I propagate my jade cuttings, but also what type of medium I use to do that. The main ingredient I use is peat moss. Peat moss helps hold moisture and nutrients long enough for the roots to absorb them. I'm going to use 60% of the peat moss, or 6 parts. I'm only doing a few cuttings today, so I'm going to use a cup as my measuring tool. You can adjust these ratios depending on how you water your plants. I always have a crazy urge to water my plants, so if you're like me, you can add drainage using the next 2 ingredients. So next we're going to use 20% soil mix, or 2 cups for this video. You can use any type of soil mix that you have, but because I'm an overwaterer, I'm going to stick with succulent mix. It'll give it better drainage and I don't have to worry about overwatering. Next we're going to use 20% perlite, or 2 cups for this video. This is crucial for succulents such as jade because they do not like wet feet. Alright guys, so now that you have all the ingredients, you got the peat moss, perlite, and soil mix, you're just going to incorporate them together, make sure they're mixed well. At this point you can add some slow release fertilizer or some warm castings if you like. And then you don't have to worry about doing it after your plants, after your cuttings have been planted. I'm going to use a 4-inch nursery pot for these. You can definitely do a 2-inch or a 3-inch. Jade plants, their root system is really shallow, so they don't need much room. The less soil you have in the pot, the easier it is for the plant. You know, it dries out faster. You don't have to worry about root rot. So I'm going to use a 4-inch nursery pot because it's worked well for me before. So we're just going to go ahead and do that today. Now you are ready to insert your jade cutting into the soil. I had this jade cutting sit out for a couple days until it calloused over before I insert it into the soil. So yeah, make sure you do that first. These leaves, I also let them dry out a little bit before I put them next to the soil. So I'm not going to throw these out. These were in the bottom of the stem. I'm just going to lay them right on top of the soil and see if they root for me. And that's it guys. So once you have inserted your cuttings into the soil, you want to make sure you wait 2 to 3 weeks before you water your cuttings. I like to bottom water because again, I'm an overwaterer, and so like if I want to prevent root rot for myself, then these are the measures that I need to take. And so if you like this video, if you want to see some more, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification, so you don't miss update or any other videos that I have. And until next time, it's Hector at Cozy Corner Plants.